Welcome back. Oh, it's a bit cold this morning. Come for a little bit of trail maintenance. I think I've rode here enough to warrant putting some effort in, so to speak. Got a couple of trees down. I found a jump and stuff. It's like a little step up. It's a bit abandoned. I think I could bring it back to life. Let's see what we can do. It's actually a chunkier tree than I thought. Don't know if I get through that with my little saw. But we'll give it a go. Ah yeah, bad boy, nice and clear. Big lump that way, big lump that way. Sure. Is. So there's like a fresh jump up there which has got a tree across it. What the fuck was that in there? If that were a rabbit, it were a big fucking rabbit. Anyway, it comes down to this bit, which is fucking deer. 2 deer. No way. Someone's kicked it in and put into a step up, which just needs some love really. I reckon it might take me an hour maybe, max. We'll see. Anyway, the plan is just to build it up on top. And once I've built it up on top there, I can shape it. That's the theory anyway. What? I'd say that's looking pretty damn good. On the side. Bit more fettly. Now get on to lander. Yeah boy. Landing's fixed up. No edge on that corner, cleaned up the rest of it. Looks pretty good. Jump, a nice angle. I'm only using that little thing, by the way. Tiny little camping shovel, shall we call it? Pooper shovel. Let's move on to the berm where it's collapsed right there. Right, so I've rebuilt that section there. See where it's fresh. Now clearing around there. It was like this. Cleared it. Oh, looks pretty damn good that. I can't wait to ride this. It needs to harden up a little bit. It's definitely a jump, but I'll test this out once I've cleared it all up. Boom, boom, boom. Got to say, I'm quite happy with that. All the way around, cleared. Now, that tree, clear this path, clear before that, and it'll be more or less ready. Might put some trees across the jump now, because it is a bit soft, might need a few days, and it's going to rain for the next few days, so that's looking fine too. That's the next tree out at weight. See you later mate. That's 2. Now let's clear this jump up. That'll be more or less done. Happy days. I don't know if it'll show on camera, but that looks 10 times better. Nice and clear. Click take off and get ready for take off. A little go. Oh, that's going to be mint. Brake squealing because the cold. Back's been sat for hours. Oh, let's give that another go. Right into it. Oh. know what? Might have to not break through there. I'm nice and eye on berm. Not break through there. Hit it. Got over it. Oh, need more speed though. Nice. Yeah, it's still a bit soft that. Might clean it up and leave it. That line across the top at berm, nice. Jump's held up pretty nice actually. Not bad. I'm gonna leave it at that though. I'm happy with that. Rebuilt the berm, rebuilt the jump, cut the tree down, cleaned that jump up a little bit and cut that other tree down on that other trail. I'd say that's a productive day, wouldn't you? Peace, see you next time.